Companion planting has become extremely popular over the last few years, but what exactly is companion planting and how does it work?
In today's video, I'm going to answer all of your questions about this planting technique and hopefully encourage you to get out and give it a go.
Companion planting is basically planting a range of different species together to improve biodiversity and to help each other out, whether it be by attracting beneficial insects, deterring pests, encouraging growth, giving shade, or even improving flavour.
Here are some of my personal favourites and some of the most effective ways of companion planting.
Nasturtiums are an absolute must-have in any veggie garden. These little guys act as a host plant for aphids as they cannot resist their foliage. This means it not only keeps them off your veggies, but it attracts them all to one area, making it much easier and safer to spray if you choose to do so. Another great plant to have in a veggie garden is marigolds. Not only do they add vibrant colour to the backyard, but they actually repel pests with their scent. On top of that, they attract beneficial insects and pollinators. A real jack of all trades. Introduce as many flowering plants into your garden as possible. This will attract an array of pollinators like birds, bees and butterflies, and will increase the number of beneficial insects, making sure the bad guys are well outnumbered.
Here are a few more flowering plants for you to consider.
Daisies or anything in the daisy family. Catmint, salvia, rosemary, lavender, penstemon, echinacea. Add some strong smelling plants amongst your veggies too, like rosemary, lavender, basil, or many of the other herbs. This confuses the pests and makes it much harder for them to find their intended target. Similar to the previous point, by planting veggies together with different heights, textures, colours and shapes, you'll confuse any pest, as part of how they find their desired plant is by looking for their silhouettes.
So mix it up a little and don't make it too easy for them by planting in long straight lines or big groups.
Plant crops next to each other that have different root depths where possible, like carrots and lettuce or parsnip and broccoli. This will help the nutrient uptake as they aren't all competing for the exact same nutrients at the same depths. Planting anything in the legume family like peas and beans actually promotes growth of the nearby plants, as they have these amazing little nodules on their roots that store nitrogen that nearby plants can use. How clever is that? By planting tall veggies like corn, artichokes, tomatoes, or even growing climbers like peas and beans up a frame, you'll cast shade, allowing you to plant out lettuce, rocket, kale, or any leafy crops that don't like full sun. This will increase the overall productivity of your beds.
It's no wonder companion planting has taken off. It's organic, it's easy, and it actually works. You've got no excuses now, so get out and give it a go. If you enjoy getting out in the garden and want some more tips, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel up here or go and watch another video just here.